Morning students. Today let's go to English assignment for the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. The first question: why should the tiger snarl around houses at the edge of the forest? The tiger should snarl around houses at the edge of the forest because of the following reasons. Firstly, the villagers will not disturb the peace of the forest. Secondly, they will not kill the animals for money or just for fun. The second question: what is the tiger doing? The tiger is slowly and quietly moving along the length of the cage in a threatening manner. So how is it moving? It is moving slowly and quietly, just the way it is about to threaten. Okay. Next, why is he ignoring the visitors? He is ignoring the visitors because he considers him devoid of any feelings. None of them thinks of releasing him from his prison. Thus, he stops taking any notice of them. Fourth question: why do you think the tiger looks at the stars? The tiger feels very helpless in the cage. He stares with hope at the brilliant stars shining in the sky. He hopes for the day when he would be able to run free in the wild. The brilliant stars thus provides him with some sort of comfort. The reason why he looks at the stars, the bright shining stars, is he feels comfortable. Fifth question: what does the poet convey through the poem? The poet tries to expose the miserable life led by the animals in the zoo. He compares the life of the tiger in the zoo with its life at a natural habitat. The animals have the right to freedom and should not be caged. They should be allowed to run free in the wild. Next question: what message do you get from this poem? From this poem, we come to know that animals like to live freely in the forest. The animals do not want to live in the zoo. Their life is pitiable in it. Seventh one: how does the tiger act in the cage? The tiger in the cage is powerless and helpless. He longs for freedom. His velvet pads do not make any noise. He is silent, anger, roars and ignores the visitors. Eighth question: how does the tiger feel in the zoo? The poet describes the feeling of the tiger in the zoo. He keeps on moving from one corner to another. He stalks in his vivid stripes, moving few steps in his cage. He is not happy. He expresses his silent anger. So we have covered 8 questions today. Thank you.